The liver is the only organ in the body that is literally can regrow. So the oils in your diet need to be really clean. So back to the liver detox in the beginning, you've got to get fried food out of there. You got to get vegetable food out of there. You got to get the packaged food with these oils in there out of there. You want to just stick to like coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil and grass-fed butter, minimally on the butter, not a lot of butter. But avocado oil, those are my top three. Got to really get all the other junk fats out. They're super inflammatory for everything we just talked about, you guys, for inflammation. The bad fats have got to go, and your packaged goods and your box goods and your frozen goods, they're all loaded with corn oil and vegetable oil and canola oil. All of these things are super inflammatory. You got to get them out of the diet. So definitely for fatty liver disease, you got to get the bad fat out and get the good fat in, but you got to be moderate on the fat because the liver is struggling. High vegetable intake and cooked vegetables would probably be better for you because raw might be a little tough on you to digest. And again, go upstream. How's everything working upstream? How are the bowels? How's the small intestine? How's the stomach doing? All of this is interconnected. You can't take it away.